This is on a continuation, and this is planets 5 through 9. And of course, we're only talking about the day of the month that somebody's born, 1 through the 31st. So it's the 1st through the 31st of any month. It doesn't have to be a particular month. And the 1st through the 31st determines what somebody's major planet is. And that also helps with compatibility. Now, when we get to number 5, if somebody's born on the 5th, 14th, or 23rd day of any month, they're associated with Gemini and Virgo. June are Gemini, and September or Virgo people. And also, 5 is the most adaptable of any of the numbers. They can fit in with almost anyone. If somebody's born on the 6th, the 15th, or the 24th of any month, and that would be Venus. And Venus's day is Friday. And to go back a second, Gemini or Mercury's day, which is the 5, is Wednesday. So this relates to Mercury, and this relates to Venus. Now, with Venus, they're associated with Taurus or Libra, and they get along with anybody in the 3, 6, or 9 series. That means the 3 series is 3, 12, 21, or 30. The 6 series is what I just explained, the 6th, 15th, or 24th. And the 9 series is 9, 18, or 27th day of any month. Now, when we go on, the next number in the series is Neptune, which is number 7. Now, 7, as I said before, is associated with number 2, which is the moon, because 7's Neptune and the moon is water. So they naturally get along with anybody born on the 2nd, the 11th, the 20th, or 29th. There would be a natural affinity between Neptune, which is the 7th, 16th, or 25th day of any month. They would naturally get along with people born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th. So they get along with the 2 series. And also, because number 1 and 2, the yin and the yang, they would get along well with people born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th. And remember, 1 is associated with number 4, which is the planet Uranus. And that would be people born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st of any month. And Neptune's always in some way associated with a March or a Pisces person. But it can be on any one of the water signs, whether it's Scorpio or Cancer too, but particularly Pisces. Number 8 series, which is Saturn, and Saturday was named after Saturn. Monday was Moon Day was Monday was named after Moon Day, and Sunday was named after the Sunday, S-U-N, the planet or whatever, the sun. Now, when you talk about the 8 series, you're talking about people born on the 8th, the 17th, or 26th day of any month, and people born in late December or in January. And they get along with the 2, 4, 6 series, which is the 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th, the 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st, and before what I was talking about, Venus, 6, 15, and 24. So they get along with anything that would divide by 8 evenly, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 8, and 6 is a division. If you look, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now the last one in the series is the number 9, and that's people born on the 9th, 18th, or 27th day of any month. And it's the planet Mars, and Tuesday is related to Mars. So when I give you these days, it's the best day to do something for that number. Like the 9, the best day is a Tuesday. The 8th, it's a Saturday. The 7th would relate to the Moon Day, which is Monday. or its own date is 7th, 16th, or 25th is the best way to carry out one's plans. Now, the signs associated with Mars, which is 9/18/27, is Aries and Scorpio. And they get along with anybody in the 369 series, which I mentioned before. That's the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th, 6th, 15th, or 24th, or their own number at 9/18/27. So it's interesting the way these planets line up and how they get along with their own set of numbers as well as people around them. Now, remember, the Sunday is Sunday. The moon day is Monday. That's why they named these days. Jupiter is Thursday. Uranus is the same as the moon day because Sunday. Excuse me, because 1-4 is the way it's related to the sun, and 5 is Mercury, which is Wednesday, and 6 is Friday for Venus, which I explained, and 7 would be on their own day, 7, 16, or 25th, as well as any of the moon days, because the moon and Neptune are related. And of course, Saturn number 8 is Saturday, and number 9 is Mars Day, Tuesday, which is Tuesdays. But this is how you figure out compatibility through the numbers relating to the planets.